out here today trying to dig a little bit of gravel and move it. I don't know if you can hear me very good. It's like a inside of a barrel in here with this noise. I got earmuffs on myself. But got this old antique tractor that's I think older than me, yeah. It's a 53 model. It's pretty primitive. But it beats sitting there with a shovel trying to sling gravel. And it does dump about a half a wheelbarrow, almost a full wheelbarrow load each time. So it is saving time. And it's something to do. Sit on this thing, move a little bit for about an hour or so. Till my butt gets numb, and get back inside, take a break for a little while, then come back to it again. But work never ends on a little small farm, especially when you're trying to improve it, increase the value of the farm, get some work done. Taking advantage of the warm temperatures. It's about 55 right now. It's supposed to be up to 60 today. So I come out here and do a little bit, have a little bit of fun with my toy. Call it that. It's hard to pull sometimes. This thing has a trip lever that you have to pull in order to get the bucket to dump. No hydraulics on this other than the two rams that lift the lift. It's half hydraulic, half manual. Then you have to reset the bucket to lock. You gotta pick it back up. We'll get on the run at it. Try not to dig too deep. Get another scoop picked up. Oh, girl. Just imagine a 67-year-old woman trying to shovel gravel, putting it into a wheelbarrow and toting it. This tractor ain't much stronger than a woman of that age. I'm not trying to say anything disparaging, but you gotta work with what you gotta work with. Till I hit the lottery or I got a rich uncle someplace that I don't know about, leaves me some money, I gotta deal with it. But it's okay. Better than sitting behind the TV looking at stupid crap. Getting my mind clear of the cobwebs. That's okay. I'll let y'all know what I'm doing today. Been doing this off and on all day. I'll do this about an hour, then have to take a little while, take a break, get the cramps out of my legs because they're pretty clamped up. Put the brake pedal down there, a little tough to make things work. No power on none of this. Everything's manual. But better than shoveling a wheelbarrow, like I said before. Hope y'all have a good day today. I'll try and have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.